Hello? Can you guys hear me? Is this on? Hello? Can you guys hear me? I really need to know. Hello? Can you guys hear me? Is this on? Uh, let's hope this is working. Okay, so this is a game I've been working on for quite a while now, and this is probably going to be a coding stream. So yeah, let's hope I get a few viewers. I'm okay if I don't really get any viewers. It's totally fine with me. Oh, hey, there's one person watching. Hello, person. I have no clue who you are. But hello. So this is the game so far. I'm probably gonna add some more to it on stream. And so how it works is you can press space to switch to a Class D. And there's 3 Class Ds, and you're supposed to play as 173. You can play as all 3, and it's gonna be a puzzle game. Like, at the moment, you can beat it as 173 if, let's say, so let's wait for them to blink. Let's kill that one. Wait for these guys to blink, kill that one, and then kill that one. So, on this stream, I'm planning on adding some difficulty. Oh, hey, David. But yeah, so you have been asking for some new content, so I promise you that fairly soon I probably will be adding some more stuff. Like, I will post some new videos. I will most likely post another one of the People Skits videos, since you seem to really like those. And I'll do an SCP one. So, yeah, okay. But there's 3 people watching. I didn't expect to get this many views. But so basically right now, so I'm trying to actually kind of fix the Class Ds. And I'm trying to make their AI patterns more like random and difficult to predict. And I have a feeling you can tell that with the code, how it's all randomized, like when I was playing as SCP-173, pick random, I hope you guys understand. I'm not really explaining it, but yeah. And so what I'm gonna do, so I think I know how I can make this a bit more unpredictable. 0.8, there we go. Now I just need to do that for all of the Class Ds. Okay, where the hell is the auto blank? There we go. Now Class D3. Boom, now where's the auto blank? There we go, there's the auto blank. And actually, shout out to one of my friends for actually giving me the soundtrack to the game. Like, they literally, I wouldn't say it's the best soundtrack, but it's an okay soundtrack. Like, you guys know what I mean. But it's just kind of a placeholder right now. But it's pretty good, because I am planning on adding some music to the game eventually. So let's see how well this does for the AI. So, let's see. Oh yeah, it makes it way harder. So, how this game works is, so I'm gonna press space. So now I'm controlling this Class D right here, the one that's moving. And so basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to make it so SCP-173 can move. So I'm going to go into this corner, look away, gonna go to this class D. I'm gonna go over here, look away. Then I'm gonna go to this class D, go over here, look away. Then I'm gonna switch back to SCP-173. Then I'm gonna kill them all. And then I win. And eventually, on this stream, I'm actually planning on making like rounds, since I did a vote on a Discord server that I'm in, and most of the people wanted round-like gameplay, so more like arcade gameplay, if you'd say. And another thing, so I'm planning on at least sort of making the bare bones for that. And I'm also planning on making some simple AI movement for when you're playing as SCP-173 inside of the Class Ds. If you guys understand that, you probably do, since it's fairly simple stuff. So, I do have an idea for the round-like gameplay. And so what I'm going to do for that is, so you see the one green flag clicked? I'm actually going to make a broadcast message. So when I receive, I'm going to make a new message that says, start game. On making it more difficult later on stream. But yeah, so David, the point of this stream is to make the game more difficult, and so you know how I said like round-like gameplay, right? So like sort of infinite rounds. So what I would do is I would basically make it so that each round it gets harder and harder, if you understand what I mean. That might be kind of hard to implement, but that would be pretty cool if I could actually do that. So you see this when I receive start game. So I'm going to make a new sprite here, and I'm going to actually first let's hide this sprite right here because we don't need it at the moment. So hide, boop, there we go. So I'm going to make a new sprite that's actually going to be the menu for the game. And thank you, David. You are very nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to convert this to bitmap. And so I'm going to use this color because it's kind of monochromatic and I like it. So then we're going to make this guy go to 0, 0. And that's going to make him in the center of the screen. Let me close this real quick. And so now what we're going to do, we're actually going to like design a little bit. So I'm going to go into text, marker, uh, 1, 7, which, there we go. Let's resize that a bit. Let's put that in the center there. And then let's move that all the way up here. Then make it a bit bigger. Put it back up. There we go. And so now what I'm going to do there we go. Like, it doesn't look that good. Okay, so there we go. So an SCP-173 puzzle game. And hey, Jiggly Fumbles is back. I've been waiting for him to be back for a very long time. So, an SCP-173 puzzle game. So, let's actually get a design for SCP-173 here, since I only really have the pixel art version and the you lose screen version. So, I'm going to go to SCP-173, and I'm going to take his color here, and so I'm going to go here, up my paintbrush size to about 50. Then, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw SCP-173 on here. I could use my, drawing tablet, but I don't really want to hook that up right now, especially on stream. So, at the moment, if the drawing looks kind of bad, that's because I am using my mouse. Let's check the chat. And then, let's make them thick. Oh, crap. Oh. God damn it. So there we go, and now he's thick. Super thick. But yeah, so Destroyer Savage, aka David. So if you're still watching the stream, I hope you are. I think you are. Yeah, you definitely are. Aww. That's sad. That's too bad. But yeah, so that's too bad, David. But yeah, so David, so I think I might actually stream a little more than uploading, because since I have to edit the videos and all, I'm still going to do the people skits every once in a while and the normal uploads. But it kind of stresses me out having to edit the videos, and it I'm obviously still gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it as long or as much. I'm gonna be streaming more since it's so much easier than recording, and you can kind of let you out instead of, you know what I mean, right, David? But I am definitely still going to upload the people skits and stuff, since, I don't really have a reason not to. Because they're actually pretty fun to record. They are really fun to record, if I'm being honest with you. So now I'm going to set this brush to 20. Actually, let's do 30. That seems big enough. And so, there we go. Oh, crap. There we go. There we go. And so now what I'm gonna do is, right now, as I think you can tell, I'm sort of drawing his face. But yeah, so now I'm gonna turn the brush down to maybe 25. And so now I'm gonna sort of do the pattern in between his face. And now I'm gonna turn the brush even smaller, so 15. Sort of do even more sort of smaller details with this section. Because it kind of sucks at the moment. I will make it look better. But at the moment, I know it doesn't look very good. This is kind of a placeholder at the moment, too. This isn't final. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all, Jigglyfumbless. But hey, at least you weren't doxxed. Now I'm gonna do the shines in the eyes, too. There we go. Okay. So now let's do some more details in the little sort of like pattern on his face. I'm not actually sure if that's blood or like if what that is. I think it's blood, but I don't want to make an assumption. Like it might be like spray paint or something. Or like paint. But I'm pretty sure it's blood. So I'm going to texture it. Kind of like how I texture blood. Okay. But yeah, so now I'm gonna turn the saturation down. There we go. Boop. Boop. So now if I do this, it looks all shiny, like blood. Thanks, David. But yeah, David knows a lot about these things, so I'm gonna trust his word. Like, I know quite a bit about them too, and I was pretty sure it was spray paint too. But David knows a lot more about these things than I do, especially when it comes to 173 and 096. He knows a lot about them. Yeah, so there we go. That's that. Now I'm gonna do some sort of like freckles just to kind of get that stone texture in there. Even though it doesn't look like stone at all, it just looks like weird freckles. It also kind of makes him look more like a peanut. His code name quite literally is Peanut, so what do you expect? But yeah, there we go. So now I'm gonna do some class D's. Because, you know, it would be better if I had them in the picture. So, I just think it would generally look better. So time to set that brush size back to 50. And there we go. That's that really crappy torso. But hey, at least it's a torso. Am I right? I am not funny. I try to be funny, but I am not funny. Let's make this head a bit bigger. Oh god, those are huge eyes. Let's change that to like 30s, since his eyes are going to be bigger than 173's. I don't know why, it's just stylistic choice. His eyebrows are going to be smaller though. Oh god, maybe I should make them a bit different of a brightness. Yeah, that looks okay. Yeah. I know he's made from, I know the cement he was made of, and I know, like, parts of him were made of spray paint. but I didn't know if the red design on his face was spray paint or not. So thank you, David. Okay, so now let's sort of make the Class D sort of like hoodie, because I can, and I don't know why, but I like putting hoodies on Class Ds, even though they don't have hoodies. It could be taken as hair or hoodie. But yeah, like, thanks for the support, David. That's very kind of you. Such a good guy. Oh crap, that looks more like a hat. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make that look less like a hat. Just wait a sec. Okay, let's turn this to 10 so I can sort of make like wrinkles in it. Yeah. Oh wow, the views are actually pretty good. This stream is getting a lot more views than I expected. Like, I honestly did not expect this stream to get as many views as it did. So, thanks to all of you guys who are, like, watching the stream and liking the stream. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of all of you to support me. Hey, like, I'm just doing this stuff for fun, you know. And I didn't expect to get this much support on YouTube. So I thank you guys. Now let's give him a real derpy mouth. Okay, let's go 15 brush size. Oh my god, it's so cute. Now I'm gonna give him a little nose. A little long nose. Oh crap, no, the nose looks ugly. The nose looks very ugly. I am getting rid of that. Okay, so now that the title screen the picture is not done, I'm going to add more to it probably off stream and stream again, working on it more. Title screen. But so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another sprite that's gonna be called play button. There we go. So what we should do but yeah, I probably will incorporate that in some way, like making him kind of screaming, but I might not. I'm not sure. I probably will, because, you know, I might incorporate it a bit differently than how you said. Okay, so convert to bitmap. Okay, there we go. So let's put some text on this bad boy. Okay. So there we go. So that's nearly done, not actually finished. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna copy this And so first, before I actually paste it in, I'm gonna make another rectangle that's completely black instead of normally. There we go. And now if I, oh yeah, this needs to be converted to bitmap. Now paste. Okay, the part that's underneath needs to be underneath a bit more, I guess. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now that looks, what do you think? But yeah, what do you guys think of that? So basically, actually, I'm gonna move that up a bit. I'm gonna move that back into the center. I will show you guys and I'll explain it to you guys too. Just wait a second, okay? So, I'm gonna move this down. Actually, I'm gonna put this up here. So first of all, first line of action, let's make this so when it's so when the green flag is clicked, basically when it starts. So we're gonna, what are we gonna do? So we're gonna make it switch to costume 1. But yeah, oh, hi Blue Rose. But basically, you seem new. But so what I'm going to do with this button is to make it so when you hover over it, it will switch to what you see now. But when you're not hovering over it, it'll look like this, basically. So it's going to switch to costume 1, and so forever, and then if touching mouse pointer looks, or not, oh yeah, so look, switch costume to costume 2. So I can't actually test this right now. I would test this right now, but why I'm not going to is because the game actually is still running while the title screen is there, but I am going to fix that. So let me duplicate this and then put an AND statement in there. So now let's do AND mouse down. Let's put that in there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to go into events and then broadcast new message, and we're going to call it, oh wait, we already have a start message. Let me find the start message. There we go, start game. Broadcast start game. And just to make it a little more interesting, we're going to add a sound too. So let's do start sound. Let's delete this sound here. Let's choose a sound. We're going to do a sound called collect. And it sounds like this. And that's why I think it would be perfect for this. Oh, crap. Oops, I accidentally ran that script. There we go. Collect. Be a tutorial. Okay. Okay, so what will happen when you like hover over it or something? So basically, it'll switch to it'll switch to another costume, and if you click it, what will happen is you will basically start the game. So now what I need to do is so when the flag is clicked, this thing needs to where is it to show. And so when I receive uh when I receive start game, we're gonna do hide. So this one is very simple, if I am being honest with you. But yeah, the game is still in a very early development, David. And thank you so much for the support. But, so the game is not even close to done. Like, when I say that, I am not kidding. Like, it's probably gonna take a couple more weeks, because I've already been working on it for like 2 weeks, but that's because I haven't been working on it too much. Actually, let me shut my door so there isn't as much background noise. BRB. Okay, there we go. I'm back. So, what? So now, so we have to change most of the scripts in this now. So instead of when green flag clicked, for all of these scripts, we're going to do when I receive start game. This is going to take quite a while, but it's going to be worth it, I tell you guys. It's going to make a pretty good title screen. Oh crap, oops. But this is why this is a stream, because like it's way too early to make like a trailer or anything. And I do want to make a video on this to get more people to play it when I actually upload it. But I didn't expect this stream to get as much support as it did. And like, you know, like it's actually I'm surprised how many people watch the stream. Like yeah, that is pretty interesting. That's pretty cool, David. That's awesome. So I still need to change all of the things in like the class D's to start game instead of when click. But now when you press play, SCP-173 will work, and otherwise it won't. So now what I need to do. So now I need to change the thing in all of the other sprites, which is kind of annoying. But hey, at least I'm doing it. Am I right? And since I'm doing it on stream, I'm trying to do it faster, which is a good thing. Faster means the game will come out quicker, and that will mean you guys will all get to play it a lot faster. Okay, so when I receive start game, actually, this one doesn't need to be for start game. Some of them do need to be with start game, but some of them don't, if I'm being honest with you. Didn't expect to get so much support today. It really boosted my confidence. Thank you guys. Like, this is really kind. I have never gotten this much support on YouTube before. Like, I honestly have never gotten this much support before. But that's probably because I barely stream. This is literally my second stream. But yeah, thank all of you guys so much, especially in my early stages of being of posting content. So yeah, thank you guys quite a bit. And I really appreciate every single little piece of support you guys give me. Like, I really appreciate it. Okay, when I receive start game, actually, this one also doesn't need to be on start game, so I'm gonna just be on when clicked. SCP Classified Council has ordered the termination test to go order by. Oops, I didn't mean to put the 4 on that. Okay, so. Okay, I think that's all I needed to do in the Class D head. Class D body 2, I literally only need to change. I only need to change one code on Class D body 2. Okay. And so now, Class D head 2. Gonna need to change a few codes on this one. So when I receive start game, there we go. So now let's do, okay, I think that's all the codes I need to do for this guy. So now line of sight 2, I need to change quite a few codes. Okay, so start game, boom, boom. Actually, no, this one does not need start game, this code right here. It looks like it does. Like, a lot of the codes look like they need start game, but most of them actually don't. Like, some of them definitely do. Like, this one, some of them do. Like, if we encounter any bugs, I will try to fix them on stream. But if I can't, then I'll either do something else, or I might just end the stream. It really depends on what you guys want me to do. So, yeah. It really depends if you guys want me to do something else or not. Like, I honestly don't care what I do. I just want to kind of code, you know? Okay, so actually this one is sort of the title in the top? Or not the title, but like the one that tells you who you're playing as. This is what I'm editing here. So let me name this. Okay, so sprite name will be playing as GUI. There we go. So now when I receive start game, there we go. And now let's do Class D body 2, or body 3, I mean. We're getting close to the end of this, and then we can test this. There we go. Okay, Class D head 3. Let me check the chat real quick. Oh my god. Bruh, you are very good at making memes. That is really funny. Okay. When clicked. this one does not need to be one of the things. So, okay. Oh my god, there are the codes that I need to put in the thing are getting lower and lower. The codes I'm having to change. Okay, this one definitely, actually not that one. This one definitely needs to change. So start game, there we go. Okay, so I think that's all I need to change right there. I don't think I think I should change something in here. Okay, because we don't want the you won or you lost screen to come up literally on the title screen, so that'll prevent that. And there we go. Okay, so I think we can test this now. So let's hope that we don't encounter any bugs. Oh, okay, that's a bug right there. That's an easy one to fix. All I need to do is swap this if statement with an if-else statement. There we go. If-else. There we go. Duplicate. Switch costume to costume 1. There we go. That should be fixed. So yeah, perfect. Boop. Oh crap. I need this to hide, and it's really delayed for some reason. This button. So I'm probably going to try to change that in a second. So we need this to hide. There we go. Actually, I'm gonna move this. So the X should be at 0. Okay, okay, X position 0. There we go. Okay. Hold the video. That's hilarious. You tried to demonetize me. Yeah, it should. I'm gonna try to. I think I can fix the collect sound bug really easily. I just need to do this. Oh, crap. We need it to show when it clicks. So let me just do that. There are a lot of things I'm forgetting here. There we go. There we go. So yes, it all works. The title screen actually made everything work even better. I didn't expect it to make everything work better. I expected it to make everything work worse. Isn't that hilarious? Yeah! Class D! There we go. Okay, that's a glitch. Okay. That was because I asked, for some reason, even though the play button was hidden, it's still, I was still able to click it. So, let's make it so when it starts, it goes to where it is right now. But so, when it's not started, we're gonna make it go to an X and Y position that is far off the screen. Okay, so then we're gonna make it go to X. I think the max X you can go to is like 289. Or let's see if I can go to 290. 290 and Y, let's Let's see what the highest Y you can go is. Okay, and let's see if I can go to 185. There we go, okay. There we go. I won. So now so Jiggly Fumbless, so he's been making a game recently that I have been looking at quite a bit too. And so basically, and that's really cool, Jiggly Fumbless. And yeah, I agree with you, Destroyer Savage. Why are we here? Just to suffer. But yeah, so, and Jiggly Fumbless, I actually just completed the title screen. Or it's not completed, but the prototype is here. That's a bug. I have no clue why that happened. I'm gonna try to fix that later, but not right this second. There we go. Now let's wait for this guy to blink. Yeah. Okay, so now what I'm gonna try to do is I'm probably going to try to I have to have dinner. I have to have dinner. I'll probably stream again, or actually I'll still be streaming, but I will be back in like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, I'm back. No. Sorry that took quite a while. I had to have dinner. So yeah, there are about stream 3 viewers. But hey, at least there are any viewers that stayed. So what I'm going to try to implement now is, so I'm going to try to implement like a level system, and I'm going to change that level system. So how that level system is going to work is, so basically, it's going to be a variable, actually. But yeah, so it's going to be a variable, and also I don't have a PS4, which is sad. And that variable is going to be level, called level. Okay, so level. Yeah, I know, right? I don't have a PS4. It's sad. And so what that variable is gonna do is, so basically it's gonna change the level you're at, as I said, obviously. So I'm probably gonna do this in the win-lose screen. And so what we can do is, so when all the classes are dead, what happens is it's going to wait a few seconds, and then it's going to show the thing. It's going to switch to the costume it needs to switch to. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the level by 1. Like, make sense? Oh. But yeah, so basically, and another thing I'm planning on doing is, so David would know this, but I'm not sure if he's still watching. I hope he is. But so basically, so what I'm trying to do is, I'm probably gonna add like the poop blood thing that SCP-173 makes, and I'm gonna make it so like a class D will have, like, one of them will have sort of like a brush to clean it up, and if all of the poop blood gets cleaned up, then you lose. But if you kill all the class Ds before all the poop blood is cleaned up, then you're gonna win. Roblox? Wait, I could play that on stream. Like, I probably won't play it today on stream, but I definitely could play it on stream. Only actually streamed. Oh, wait, we've streamed for like an hour. Oh, hey, 4 people are watching. To check it out. But yeah, so what the level variable is going to do eventually is, at the moment, it doesn't actually do anything, but what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to make it. Why does the neck snapping? Oh, yeah. Okay, that is a bug I seriously need to fix. I have no clue why that bug is happening. So that's with Class D number 2. Wait. No, that's not with Class D number 2. That's with Class D number 1. Holy crap. Okay. I think so. I know how to fix this. This is really easy to fix. Okay, it's really good that you're still watching. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually need a when clicked, which I removed most of. But so I'm gonna do set, and then I'm going to set class D. This is class D1, yeah. Okay, class D1 death to false, and that should fix it. Okay. Big brain time. Okay, so now that should fix it. Yeah, that fixed it. So now let's test the level system. There we go. Yes! Okay, so yeah. Oh, crap, that's... Okay, that's... I think I know why that's happening. The red stuff he makes, yeah, I know that. Or else it will turn into, yeah, I know that. Okay, so, yeah. I'm probably gonna add that to make you lose whenever you do lose. And so then what I'm going to do, so then I'm going to, I think, I have an idea that can fix this. Okay, so make a variable, and tell me if I'm overthinking this, because it's really hard for me to tell if I'm overthinking something. But so I'm going to make a variable called win. Okay. And so that variable's obviously going to be false. But so what's going to happen is, so if class D is dead, it's going to set, wait, what? Okay, oh, I know how to make this work now. Okay, so when clicked forever, I'm going to duplicate this part since this is a big thing. This is a big chunky piece of code. So forever. Oh crap! I accidentally dropped it into the void. So if then. Actually, no. We want an if then else, not an if then. Okay. So then set it to true, and class D2 death is, so if all these things are true, then variables set when to true. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to make it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do this first. So I'm going to duplicate this here. So then it's going to wait 2 seconds. Then it's going to set when to false. Oh, there's only 2 viewers. But hey, at least there are any viewers, am I right? And so else, what it's going to do is it's going to set when, where's when to false. And so now what we can do is, so if when, let's do if when, so we're going to do an if when equals true. Equals true. So there we go. And now let's get the when variable. So that should fix that. Obviously, it's still gonna. Oh yeah, I forgot that you actually need to press the green flag twice. Okay, so now this should work. Oh yeah, I forgot. So that did most definitely work, but now I need to set the level. So whenever it starts, the level needs to be set to 0. If that makes sense, right? Okay, look at my messages if you want to know more. I'll let you know this. Okay. But yeah. So now it should work. Oh crap, I forgot about the pressing twice. Come on, let me kill you so I can test this. There we go. I killed him for testing. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do to make the Class Ds respawn. So eventually, probably off stream, I'm gonna make it so like they duplicate with other code and stuff like that. But I'm not sure. I'm gonna, or I might just try to make their AI harder each time and make them in different positions. But I am really not sure. But yeah, so I'm probably going to kind of finish the leveling up system by making a respawn thing. Okay, so then events, broadcast. Okay, I'm gonna make a new message called respawn. That's gonna be for the Class Ds. But so just in case, do you guys want me to play something else before like I end the stream or something? Cause I could play that It Lurks or whatever game that Jiggly Fumbless brought up. Since if you guys want me to continue coding, I will. But it's really your guys' choice. So I'm gonna wait a second, okay? And I'm going to let you guys vote. Or not really vote, but I'm gonna let you guys see. Okay? Yeah, that game is a Roblox game. So, technically I will still be playing Roblox. But it's really your guys' choice what I play. Like, I honestly don't care. But here, you know what? I'm actually, yeah, let's play that It Lurks game. I'm gonna try to find it here real quick. Okay. It Lurks. Okay, so is it, this game right here? Because I would really like to know. Because, you know, that's useful to know. I'm assuming it's this game. So I'm gonna edit the stream. Okay, there we go. So, eventually the stream name should update. Just wait. Oops. Playing it lurks on roblox. Okay, there we go. Save. Okay, so let's play this, I guess. I am a bit of a scaredy cat, so let's see how I react to this. I think this game looks familiar, but I don't think I've played it before. Like, I honestly do not think I played this before. Okay. So let me. There's multiple chapters. This actually looks really cool. Either way, David, I think this game is not a multiplayer game. I think it's a single player game. Okay, this game actually seems pretty good though. For some reason I can't use a flashlight. Okay, he's my brother, I assume? Yeah, I think he's my brother. This is my room. That's my Roblox username. Mr. Bulkery will eat you, by the way, if you want to know. Wait, what's this room? Okay, this is a bathroom. Imagine if you could interact with the toilet. Okay, let me check this. Oh, okay, YouTube is not receiving enough video to do smooth streaming. Okay, if it's laggy, it's because YouTube has a dumb error. Okay, who's this? Is this like my dad or something? Okay, yeah, he's my dad. Okay, I don't care, Dad. I don't give a crap. Oh, okay, bye. Bye, Dad. Mom. Okay, so Mom's not here either. What? Okay, that door opened really suddenly. I'm not allowed into the basement. It's locked. I don't have the keys. Okay. Well, I guess then it's locked. If it's locked, it's locked. Can I go onto the couch? I want to go onto the couch. Okay, stop playing. It's so the lag. Okay. Okay, stop playing if it's lagging. Okay, but yeah, so actually the lag oh my god, it is laggy. Yeah, it was not this laggy for me. I swear. I swear, it was not this laggy for me. But yeah, I'll stop playing if it's super laggy for you guys. That's really weird though. Like, whenever I try to stream on like roblox or something, it's laggy. Like, it's not super laggy on games like Skyblock, but for some reason on that game, it lurks. It's super laggy. So I might play that on a normal video instead. But I still do kind of want to do something with you guys. But yeah. Okay, so yeah, the frame rate should be fine now. Wait, what's this put user in time? Oh crap! Oops, I didn't mean to take, no! No! I mean to. I swear, oh crap, I'm gonna try to unmute you. I have no clue why you're muted. Can't unmute you. And rejoin it, Jiggly. Here, leave the stream and leave the stream and rejoin it, okay, Jiggly? Yeah, I really didn't mean to do that. Oh God, yeah, I didn't mean to do that. I swear I didn't mean to do that. Like, holy crap. Or wait, this might work. If I add... Wait. Okay, can you speak? Okay, this is bad. This is really bad. But either way, I think this is the end of the stream for now. I'm probably going to do more streams on developing my game. But at the moment, I am not going to be streaming anymore.